Most people think that 5 years is too short to change their lives. Pero in reality, 5 years is more than enough. More than enough to completely build a different life. Ang problema, you are thinking short term, not long term. If you started investing 5 years ago, ang tanong is nasaan ka na dapat ba ngayon? May properties ka na ba? Meron ka na bang cash flow? Or same cycle pa rin? Work, bills, and repeat. That answer, yun yung difference ng progress versus stuck. Hindi naman tamad ang karamihan ng tao. Bakit hindi umaasenso? Kasi ang palaging sinasabi, I'll start next year. Pag mas malaki na yung income ko. Pag okay na ang market. Pero years go by and nothing really changes. Busy ka pero walang movement. Ganyan din ako before. When I first got into real estate, hindi ko iniisip yung 5 years. Iniisip ko lang is kaya ko bang bumili ng isa? What if magkamali ako? What if hindi kumita? I was focused on fear, not growth. Pero when I looked at investors ahead of me, pare-pareho lang sila nagsimula. Hindi sila mas magaling, nauna lang sila mag-start. Ito yung hindi sinasabi ng karamihan. You don't build wealth in big moves. You build it in small, consistent actions. One property, one tenant, one decision. One mistake na matutunan mo. Hindi siya exciting daily. Pero over 5 years, life-changing. Why people underestimate 5 years? Kasi we think linear. Iniisip natin na konting progress in 1 year. In 5 years, konti lang din. Pero yung real estate is compounding. Ganito talaga yan. Year 1, you are learning, meron kang doubts, at mabagal. You get your first deal, nagtatrial and error ka. Year 3, mas naging confident ka na. Year 4, systems are working. Year 5, big growth na. Most people quit in year 1 or 2, right before mag-click yung lahat. Karamihan sa atin, living paycheck to paycheck. Pero merong Netflix at pangkain sa labas. We are always waiting for the perfect timing. Karamihan natatakot sa interest rate. Overthinking instead of acting. Comparing sa naka-10 properties na. Ang biggest trap actually is you call it research. Pero in reality, you're just delaying. Mindset shift 1 is time is your biggest asset. Akala ng tao money ang problem. Pero actually, time. Kasi money can be earned again. Pero yung lost years mo, hindi na. In real estate, the earlier you start, the faster compounding kicks in. Mindset shift 2, imperfect actions win. Walang perfect deal. Walang perfect timing. Investors who win, take action kahit hindi 100% ready. Yung first property mo, hindi yan pang forever. It's your training ground. Mindset shift 3, systems over hype. Hindi ka lang bumibili ng property. You're building a system. System ng cash flow, tenant management, financing, reinvesting. Kasi motivation fades. Pero yung systems, tuloy-tuloy yan. Real estate 5-year breakdown. Simple example, in year 1, you get one property. Year 2, you get another property. Year 3, 3 to 4 properties. Year 4, 5 to 7 properties. Year 5, 8 or more properties ka na. Hindi yan overnight success. That's consistency kahit conservative ka. Malayo mararating mo in 5 years. So bakit maraming tao stuck pa rin? Kasi they judge progress based on today. Hindi nila nakikita yung future impact. Hindi mo mafe-feel agad. Pero it's building silently. 5 years from now, darating yan kahit anong gawin mo. Question is, may assets ka na ba? Or puro sana nag-start ako dati? That gap, hindi talent. It's consistency and decision. If you want to change your next 5 years, step 1 is decide your first move. Duplex ba gusto mo? Basement suite? Small single family home? Step 2, know your numbers. Income, savings, borrowing power mo. Step 3, control your cash flow. Bawasan yung expenses and increase the margin. Step 4, study deals weekly. Step 5, talk to real people. Agents, investors, lenders. Step 6, take action early kahit hindi ready. Stop asking kaya ko ba to? Start asking ano ba ang magiging life ko if I stay consistent for 5 years. Kasi hindi mo kailangan maging magaling agad. Kailangan mo lang maging consistent. Most people will watch this, mamotivate ng konti, then balik ulit sa normal life. Pero a small percentage will act. And after 5 years, iba na yung buhay nila. If this hits you, don't ignore it. Comment and take one step today. Analyze a deal, message a realtor, learn financing. or plan your first property. Because real estate doesn't reward intention, it rewards action and time.